This man was arrested for killing 9 women over a span of 1 year, and he confessed to killing 6 of them.
हर घटनास्थल से एक ट्रॉफी के रूप में, जो कि इस तरह के अपराधियों का एक की फीचर देखा गया है, कुछ ना कुछ लेके जाता था.
All the victims were in the age group of 45 to 65. The police said he expressed no remorse, and during the investigation, he referred to the victims as Shikar. This is the story of a serial killer in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh.
मानसिक रूप से बीमार नहीं है, वो फोकस्ड है.
It all started on 5th June 2023 when the first victim's body was discovered. And by July 2024, in over 13 months, 9 women were found murdered, causing panic among residents. The victims' bodies were found within a 25-kilometer radius of 2 police stations, Thana Shahi and Shishgarh Police Station in Bareilly district. The police said multiple injuries were found on the victims' bodies and attempts to sexually assault them were made. They found a similar pattern. All the victims were found strangled in sugarcane fields with their clothes ripped.
और जो भी महिला ने साड़ी या सूट जो पहना हुआ है, या तो चुन्नी से या साड़ी चुन्नू से, फिर गर्दन के अराउंड बाईं तरफ बहुत तेजी से नॉट मारते हुए, ये सारी हत्याओं में एक कॉमन फैक्टर निकल गया है.
The Uttar Pradesh police launched a campaign called Operation Talash to find the culprit. In this operation, 22 teams were formed. These teams reviewed CCTV cameras and deployed officers in uniforms and plain clothes to monitor the area and interact with the public.
डॉक्टर्स की भी सलाह ली गई कि कौन ऐसा व्यक्ति है जो घटना कर सकता है. साइकोलॉजिस्ट की भी सलाह ली गई.
After speaking to several people from the areas where the murders took place, the police said that a worker at a tea stall informed them that a man was bragging about murders he committed while drinking tea. And he was also mocking the police for not being able to catch him despite their efforts. The police then prepared and released 3 sketches of the suspects on 6th August 2024. A reward of 25,000 rupees was also offered by the police to catch the killer. 3 days later, 35-year-old Kuldeep Kumar was arrested as his appearance matched 2 of the sketches.
कुल 6 घटनाएं हैं जिसके बारे में हम इसको घटनास्थल पे ले जाके हमने तस्दीक कर लिया है कि ये घटना इसने कहां पे की, किस तरीके से की.
The investigation revealed that Kuldeep targeted women who were alone walking in the field around noon. Since Kuldeep confessed to 6 murders, what about the other 3 murders which happened in a similar way?
उसके बारे में इसको रिमांड पे लेके, पीसीआर पुलिस कस्टडी रिमांड पे लेके, क्योंकि जिस तरह का इसका मॉडस ऑपरेंडी है, हम लोगों को बहुत विस्तृत रूप से इससे पूछताछ करने की आवश्यकता है. तो हम पीसीआर पे रिक्वेस्ट करके और तब इससे और डीपली पूछताछ की जाएगी.